Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap here to install, and now just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just tap here to open, click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard you should click once on the switcher, then tap to OK, once again OK, and here just go back. Tap to the switch input methods and switch Gboard to the English United States keyboard. Now we can see the process is finished, and after that let's just go back here to the, for example, to the app search to see the look of our new device keyboard. And as we can see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.